With over 120 years of history, Sumitomo Electric is a top supplier of high-performance cables, components, and materials.
We are one of only a few Thunderbolt cable manufacturers worldwide. Since the early stages of Thunderbolt cable development, we have delivered high-quality Thunderbolt cables to the market through our strong relationship and collaboration with Intel Corporation.
Our strength is we can provide both copper and optical cables. When the Thunderbolt project was launched, Intel focused on developing optical solutions. However, we advised that thanks to our expertise and high engineering capabilities, we could also develop copper cable solutions.
Since 1897, starting with copper wire production, Sumitomo Electric has been pursuing cutting-edge technology in metal cables, fiber optic cables, and more.
With pride in our contribution to the global communications infrastructure, high technical proficiency, extensive know-how, and a philosophy cultivated over a long history, we bring diverse customer requests to life.
Since the company was founded, Sumitomo Electric has leveraged its advanced technological expertise to produce high-performance wiring materials. Through our high capability in cable and harness processing, quality control in production and development skills, we are pursuing technological innovation to meet customer needs.
To meet the increasing demand for high-speed data transmission across various industries, infrastructures, and markets, Sumitomo Electric is at the forefront of technological development. Sumitomo Electric is committed to technology development that always looks ahead.
Since the launch of Thunderbolt 1 in 2011, there has been a demand for ever-increasing transmission speeds, leading to Thunderbolt 2, 3, 4, and now Thunderbolt 5. In the development of Thunderbolt 1, the copper cable, which we proposed to Intel, is still being used today. Additionally, we have already achieved optical solutions and are ready for even greater speeds in the future.
Thunderbolt is synonymous with high-speed data transmission, a protocol that captivates data handlers, creators, and system designers worldwide.
Sumitomo Electric, who developed and delivered Thunderbolt cables to the market with Intel Corporation, continues to support global data transmission, now and in the future.